that we are going is stoichiometry. How much amount of product is going to form. So here you can see the amount of product. Here they are saying amount of product formed during reaction. Amount of product formed reaction.
Yeah.
During reaction. Or or they are saying amount of reactant react. Amount of reactant react is termed as, they are talking about, is termed as stoichiometry. It means you got to
Okay.
know that is stoichiometry is dealing means how much amount is going to be formed. Any product is going to form means how much amount is going to be formed. That we will deal in the terms of the stoichiometry. Okay. When you're talking about the step, there are certain steps are there for the calculation. If you talk about step number one, okay, if you are going step number one, so they are saying convert moles into what we know. It's little bit hanging. Convert given mass into mole. This is the first step. Given mass into mole. Mass into mole. This is the very first step. How will you be able to convert given mass into mole? Can you guess the previous classes to tell me how can how can you calculate the given mass into mole?
Mass into mole.
N is equal to we can do that is given mass.
Given mass over molar mass.
Thank you. So it is going to be what given mass upon it is going to be what molar mass. This is the first one. Acha, suppose it is if
Molar
it is
mass.
the volume it is given. If it is the volume is given, then what you will do? If the volume is given, in that case, what you will go? What you are going to do?
Uh,
If volume is given, then what you will do? So N is equal to given volume. Yes, no? GV, given volume. That is also called, here we can write that is given volume. Given
over
volume. Over volume,
over
molar volume. Molar volume. Do you know what is the
so
molar volume?
22.4 liter.
Yes. 22.4 liter. Thank you very much for telling this one. 22.4 liter. Anyways, you have to calculate. Now go for the step number two. If you are going to step number two, that is what we need to do here in this step number two. Uh, correlate with according to equation. We have to write according to equation. The first of all, we have to go according to equation, means how much product is forming, that we have to go according to equation. Okay, after knowing according to equation, we have to go by the how much available mole is there. So second one according to equation, first one. Now step number three. Here today it is the hanging too much. Whatever I'm writing, it is not going. According to what they are talking about, according to, wait, wait, because what have happened when my app was there in the laptop, that was not working. So what I did, I uninstalled and directly I joined from the web page. So according to available, if you are going according to available, that how much mole is available. So this is the available mole where it is calculating this one. This is going to be available one. So according to equation, I will tell. Last one is step number three. Step number three, they are saying that is step number three or four. It will be that is convert the mole into mass. Convert, not allowing to write. Convert mole. Oh, please wait. Convert mole into, okay, this is the last step. Okay, so this is all the four steps are there. First of all, we have to do what we need to do. that is the moles we need to calculate. Second one, what according to equation. A third one, according to available mole, how many mole we are available, according to that we need to go. And step number 4, convert mole into mass. These are the 4 steps are there. That is what amount of mass we will be able to calculate, how much mass of product is formed. Can I erase this one, or
Yeah.
okay, you wrote this one now?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Question number 1, I am giving you question number 1. They are saying that is 10 gram. Here is 10 gram C6H12O6. No?
Mm-hmm.
C6H12O6 on combustion, they are saying gives, what going to give here, gives CO2. Here is CO2 and H2O. CO2 and H2O. Then, then they are saying calculate amount of calculate amount of CO2 and H2O form. CO2 and H2O form. They are talking like that. That how much amount of CO2 and H2O will form. Equation they are talking about C6H12O6. C6H12O6. It is reacting with the oxygen. So they are going to give that is CO2 plus H2O. Right. Now see how
Yeah.
many carbon are there? 6. So here we are mentioning how many? 6. How many hydrogen? 12. 12. So half molecule of the water will form. It means it is going to be 6. So hydrogen balance 6
Six.
to the 12. Carbon balance. Oxygen how much? Here you see 6 this side. Here is oxygen is 6 and here is 12.
Yeah.
12.
12.
Now you see this side
Six.
6 are there. So 12 required. So I multiply this by 6. So this is
Yeah.
all about the balance equation. Now they are talking about to find the amount of CO2 and H2O separately.
Mm.
Here you can write that is each. So how can we do here if you talk about the solution? So step number 1 we are going. Step number 1. Can you
Mm-hmm.
tell me the step number 1? What is the step number 1?
Calculate number of moles.
Calculate number of mole. So here I am going n equal to what is the given mass upon what is going to be molar mass. Now given mass they have given how much? 10 gram glucose. Yes or no? This is 10 gram
Yeah.
glucose. So here I am writing on the top, here I am writing that is 10 gram. Right. Now in the bottom, can you tell me molar mass of glucose? Can you guess? Carbon is
Mm.
around, if you go, carbon is how much mass is there? Carbon is
12.
12. Hydrogen, if you are talking about hydrogen, hydrogen is
1.
1 and oxygen is 16.
16.
Uh, Calculate and tell me the how much is coming from glucose.
Okay. 180.
180. Thank you so much. So it is coming how much? 180. Now you can divide this one. If you are dividing this one, so 10 will be 10 will be cancel out. So it is 1 by 18. Here is 1 by 18. Right. So if you are we are getting 1 by 18. Now you divide, that is how much is coming 1 by 18. See the value of 1 by 18.
0.0555.
Okay. So here if you are going 0.052. Yes,
Uh-huh.
we need to take the exact 0.055 is coming, not 52. 0.55
Yeah.
is coming. So this you got. Now this is what that is 10 gram means. 10 gram means how many mole? 10 gram means how many mole are a 0.055. Yes, yeah, no.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is got. Now step number 2. I am going step number 2. Let us see the step number 2. What can be the step number 2? If you are writing step number 2. So step number 2, they are saying that is according to equation. According to equation. Right. So if you go better according to equation, so they are saying that is how many mole are there here? 1 mole. How many mole according to equation for CO2? For CO2. So if you are talking about here 1 mole C6H12O6 gives how many mole CO2? 6 mole. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So 1 mole, if I am writing 1 mole glucose, 1 mole glucose, and a GLUCOSE. Glucose gives how many mole? Gives 6 mole. What is this one? 6 mole CO2. Now, if you are talking about this is the 1 to 1, 1 to 6. So step number 3, if you are going step number 3, step number 3. So how much steps, how many moles are coming that we need to see? Step number 3.
Wait, sir.
Hello.
Sir.
Uh,
Yeah. I have a question.
hmm.
Why aren't you doing like H2O as well? Why are you only doing CO2?
No, separately they said, na, each. So firstly you calculate CO2, then you calculate H2O. Getting?
Oh, with C6H12O6 only?
Firstly you need to calculate amount of CO2. Calculate amount of CO2 and H2O formed each separately they are asking. So firstly we are calculating the amount of CO2, then we'll calculate amount of H2O. Same way.
Okay.
So according
Okay.
to available. So if I will ask that is how many mole of available. So this is the available na. 10 gram given. 10 gram means how many mole available? 10 gram means 10 gram means that is 0.055 mole. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So according to available, so 1 mole giving 6. So 0.005 mole. 0.005 mole glucose. No, if I write that is glucose gives
Well,
how much?
according to available what, sir?
According to available amount, available mole. So 10 gram only given na Arav. 10 gram given means
Ah,
how many mole given? 0.55,
yeah,
0.055. So according to
yeah,
0.055 mole glucose gives how much it will give? So 1 mole is giving, see, 1 mole glucose gives 6 mole. So
yeah,
0.055 how much will give? 0.055 mole how much will give? Can you guess?
yeah,
Can we can multiply now?
yeah.
0.055 multiply by y 6. Yes or no?
So 0.33.
Thank you very much. So the answer is coming 0.33 mole. 33 mole. Today it is totally not working. The directly I joined the from the web page, so maybe the problem. 0.33, right? अब step number
Yeah.
4. If you go the step number 4, Arav, so what is the step number 4? Can you guess the step number 4? Step number 4.
Uh,
See in your notes. Convert mole into amount. है ना?
oh yeah.
Convert mole into amount. See, convert mole to amount. Mole to
So like mass.
mole to mass, that is amount. Mole to mass. Okay. So what is that is n is equal to what is given mass upon molar mass.
Yeah.
Given mass is that is gram mass. They are asking the gram mass only. So gram mass means what will come n into molar mass. Yes or no? M into molar
Mm-hmm.
mass. So n you got to know that is how much is there is there
0.3.
0.33 and molar mass of CO2. How many are there? CO2 means how much will come? Yes,
12 plus 30, 44.
44. Thank you. So now see the amount of CO2 form. How much is going to form? Check. Can you tell me?
Yeah. 14.52 grams.
14.5 gram. 14.52 gram. Here they are talking about 14.52 gram. So this much amount of CO2 will produce from how much amount? From the 10 gram glucose if you are hitting, so 14 gram, 14.5 gram CO2 will form. Is it okay? Is it okay to you to understand this much?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you please try to write down this one? Then you calculate for CO2, same H2O.
Okay.
or should I tell the for H2 also?
I want to try.
Okay, okay, please, please. Today I joined direct web page, not the direct Zoom link. So that is, it is quite disturbing. Doing?
Yeah.
Can I erase this one? Can I erase the
Yes.
solution portion? Okay. Tell me the answers you tell me.
Hmm. 1 second. It's the same. So
Same answer will
14.5.
not come. Same answer will not come. 14.5 will
Not.
not. See, molar mass is
Uh,
changed now. Molar mass of water. Here, what you need to take? You are going to 1 mole glucose to water. You need to go now. You are going to calculating the water. Yes or no? See, water. So 1 mole
oh,
glucose.
over.
How much? How much?
So 10 over 18. No, 6 times.
1 mole glucose gives 6 mole H2O according to equation. See the equation. Yes or no? Here is 6 is there and
Uh-huh.
here is 1 is there. So available mole how much? 10 gram they have given. 10 gram means 0.05 mole they have given.
Uh-huh.
Yes. So 0.055 mole glucose give how much? So 1 mole calculated means you can by multiplication you can do. So 0.055 into 6 mole H2O, right? So how much you are
Mm,
getting? 0.33 mole H2O. Now you got.
yeah.
Now fourth step, convert mole into mass. So given mass of what? It is gram mass or given mass of H2O divided by what? Molar mass of what? H2O. Is it okay?
H2.
H2O.
Yeah.
So given mass of what if you are calculating H2O, here if you are H2O, so what? Moles of H2O and molar mass of H2O. So moles is 0.33 mole and molar mass of H2O, please tell me, Arav. Molar mass of
18.
18. So you multiply by 18, how much is coming? How much is coming?
Uh,
How much is coming?
uh,
6 gram approx.
5.9.
5 point means 6 gram approx. The answer is 6 gram approx. Are you be
Mhm.
able to understand now this one?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, can you write down please?
Okay, done.
Okay. So I have given one question. So can you check your phone?
Yeah.
Uh, can you try that one? Or can I send the question in your mom's number?
No, no, I have.
Okay, okay. Because the same you are watching and same the maybe the problematic.
No, I'm on my computer, sir.
Okay, okay. So can you read the question?
Calculate
Uh,
nitrogen plus
uh,
hydrogen. Calculate the volume of
uh,
hydrogen required to produce 224 or 22.4.
no, 2 to 4, 2 to 4. There is no decimal point.
Okay, 224 liters of
Uh,
H3.
yes, yes. See, N2 plus H2, it is going to give 2NH3. So first step is that to write the balance equation. Okay, it is understood that is whatever the equation is given, that equation we need to balance. Okay, we need to write the balance equation. Getting my point? First of all, we need to write the balance equation. Dishant. Hello, hello. N2 plus 3H2. Okay. So see here what is going to happen. The volume they have given, volume of something given. This is the balance equation is understood. Getting my point? Balance equation is understood. Yes or no? Balance equation is
Yeah.
understood. If it is unbalanced is given, so you need to balance by yourself. Okay. Now see what
Yeah.
they are talking about. The at HTP calculate the volume of H2 required. So they are asking VH2 they are asking. VH2 volume of this one they are asking. And here they have given 2 to 4 liter. 2 to 4 liter they have given. So if you understand this one, so other question you can solve by yourself. See, so step number one. Step number one. What is the step number one? If you guess, what is the step number one?
Convert into moles.
So mole. See, since it is volume given, so mole is equal to what? That is given volume upon what will be their molar volume. So given volume that is 224, 224 divided by molar volume, you got to know 22.4 liter. Okay. So liter will be cancel out. Yes, na. Liter will be cancel out. So how much value will come? Can you guess? How much will come?
One.
1 or 10?
Oh, sorry, 10, 10, 10.
10 because you are multiplying this now to remove the decimal numerator denominator you are multiplying 10, so this will be cancelled out, so left with 10 mole will be there left. Okay, अब Arav, that is step number 2. I am going step number 2. Step
Yeah.
number 2. So if you are going step number 2, so that is they are saying that is match with the equation. So according to equation I am going, according to equation, according to equation. Very carefully you try to understand this one. Now they are not asking given, they are asking required. So I am writing here 2 mole NH3 required, 2 mole NH3 required, and this one I am going,
Mhm.
2 mole NH3 required. How much they are asking? Too much mole NH3 required, 3 mole H2O, 3 mole H2. Yes or no? 2
Yeah.
mole NH3 required, 3 mole H2. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Uh-huh.
See here in the equation. Here is 2 mole required. How many mole? H2, 3 mole. Yes, yeah, no.
Yeah.
So 1 mole NH3. They are talking about 1 mole NH3. If it is the 1 mole NH3 required, 1 mole NH3 required. How many mole? How many mole of the H2? Can you tell me?
1.5.
1
1.5.
1.5. Okay, 1.5. So here I am writing here is 1.5 mole, 1.5 mole, what will come? That is H2. Yes or no? This is okay. According to available, according to
Mm.
available, step number 3. If I am going step number 3, according to available, if you are going for the available, so how much will be there? What will be there according to available? So available mole. This is the available. This is the available mole.
Yeah.
No, no, no. Available mole. This is available mole.
No,
Okay.
that,
10. This is available because
yeah.
that is 20 to 4 liter means 10 mole. Okay. This is the ratio.
Yeah.
Okay. So according to available mole, I am going available mole. So if you are going
Mhm.
available mole, according to available mole, so let's see how much is coming. Okay. So according to available mole, that is 10 mole. 10 mole.
Yeah.
NH3 required 10 mole. Not working. Stylus is not working. NH3 required. How much it is required? So that is we can multiply by 1.5 mole. Multiply
Yeah.
by what?
And with 10.
1.5 into 10. So 1.5 into 10, then how much will come? 15 mole,
15.
yes. You solve now by yourself and tell me the answers. 1
Okay.
point H2. So it is going to be what? That is 15 mole. Because in the when I'm writing fast, it is not working. Today I'll go to shop and install again Zoom. 15 mole H2. See, this time the mass they are not asking, volume they are asking. They are asking the volume. Getting my point. They are asking the volume. So if you go for the
Uh,
volume, so how much it will come? Let us see. Volume. So n is step
given
number.
volume.
Yes, 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 yes. N is equal to given volume upon it is going to be molar volume. So that is given volume they are asking. So mole into what is molar volume? Molar volume will be what? 22.4 liter. Yes, yeah, no.
So 15 times 22.4.
Yes, 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 yes. 15 times 22.4.
So
22.
336.
Ah, so this is the last one.
So it's 330 liter.
Let
Or
me. How much you are saying, Arab? Please tell me again.
336.
336. Okay, correct, correct. 336 liter. 336 liter. We are saying liter. H2 required. H2 required. Okay. For for 2 to 4. For 2 to 4. They are saying 2 to 4. No, liter. 2 to 4 liter of what,
Of
Arab?
an
It's totally not working. 2 to 4 liter of what is this one? NH3, na? NH3. Okay, this is one. 1 second. Arav, this is okay. Arav, this you
yeah,
understood, no?
yeah,
Can you calculate the amount of N2 required? Can you calculate amount of N2? Amount of N2 required? N2 required? Done.
Yeah, 1 second.
So from the beginning, we need to change because 2 mole NH3 required 1 mole,
Yeah, so 0.5.
0.5. Okay.
And
See, the 10 mole is as it is. Here it will be the 2 mole NH3 required. Here it will be changed. What will be there? Here will be, it is going to be 1 mole N2. 1 mole N2. So 0.5 mole. Thank you. Thank you. Very good. Very good. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Okay.
so 5 mole N2.
Ah. So correct, how much the answer? 5.5. This is available, right? No, 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 not
Yeah.
this is available. Available means if you talk about zero point 0.5 mole H2 required. So according to equation, if you are going here, you can see the zero point 0.5 mole.
So 112 liter of N2 for 224 liter of NH3.
Yeah, firstly, you see that is, I think you are saying correctly. See, according to available mole, you are saying that is how many mole available? 10 mole are there, na? 10 mole
Yeah,
NH3, no,
10,
mole
right.
required what? 0.5 into 10. So it will be zero point 0.1. How much is coming? 0.5 mole, 5 mole.
Yeah,
So it 5 mole here. So 5 mole means here you need to change. So here what we need to change, here this we need to change, here this, and there this will be changing. So let us see the value, how much it is coming. You are saying this is the, you have placed this one 5, this is 5. So 5 4 ja 20, 5 2 ja 10. That is 112, na?
yeah, 112 for 224 liter of NH3.
Okay, thank you. I have given one more question to you. Can you check that one?
Yeah.
Ah. Arav, this
In the
meeting will
following,
be, you got the this question. I am reading this one. In the following reaction, if
yeah,
10 gram of H2 react with N2, what will be the volume of NH3 at STP produced? So see, the first step you need to convert into the mole. So mole of what, that is 10 gram H2 given. So if you are calculating 5 mole will come, right? So 5 mole, then according to equation, then according to valence equation, and then last one you need to find the mole. Then STP they have given. So mole is equal to given volume upon molar volume. So given volume
yeah,
is equal to N into molar volume. So some value will come. Aram, what
yeah.
I need to do, this meeting will disconnect. So again, I will send you the link. Getting? Again, I will
Okay,
send you the link. Again, you rejoin. Firstly, you keep on solving. Again, I'm sending you, right?
yeah,
So you solve out this question.
okay.